Photo syncing is one of the most useful workflow features in Adobe Lightroom Classic because it allows you to apply the same edits, presets, color grading, and adjustments across multiple photos instantly. This can save a huge amount of editing time, especially for weddings, events, portraits, travel photography, and large photo shoots. And honestly, professional photographers rely on syncing constantly for faster workflows. So in this full guide, I'll show you how to sync photos in Lightroom Classic step by step in 2026. First, open Adobe Lightroom Classic and import the photos you want to edit and sync. Now open the Develop module where editing and synchronization tools are located. Before syncing, fully edit one photo with your preferred exposure, colors, contrast, sharpness, and adjustments. And honestly, syncing works best when the original photos were shot under similar lighting conditions and camera settings. Consistency during shooting makes batch editing much easier later. And that's your full guide on how to sync photos in Lightroom Classic in 2026. Hopefully now you have a clearer understanding of how to speed up editing workflows and maintain consistent professional photo styles using Adobe Lightroom Classic.